I think it's about high time we talk about cauliflower. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Edible Knowledge, giving you the what's what of food from around the world. That's right, today we are talking about cauliflower, which is one of several vegetables of the Brassica Oleracea family, and includes such members like cabbage, broccoli, collard greens, and kohlrabi. The Brassica oleracea, or the wild cabbage, is actually the ancestral form of these domesticated species, which was native to the northern Mediterranean and Western Europe in places like Cyprus and the British Isles. Did you know? Technically, cauliflower is man-made. Through a very extensive process called selective breeding, different plants have come from different parts of the original wild cabbage. And according to backgarden.org, kohlrabi was made from the stem, kale from the leaves, broccoli from the stem and flowers, and cauliflower from the flower clusters. And speaking of flower clusters, the cauliflower, it's actually a flower. Angiosperms are the largest and most diverse group of plants, commonly known as flowering plants. And the cauliflower is but one of 275,000 different species. Though most commonly known for its creamy white color, you can also find the cauliflower in orange and purple. After a certain age, farmers begin to shield the cauliflower from the sun. Why, you might ask? Yes, why? It's a process called bleaching, which prevents the cauliflower from turning a golden yellow color. Don't worry, there's nothing wrong with the golden yellow color, it just sells better. Ever wonder why your cauliflower gets little brown spots? Yes, why? It's just oxidation. The simple change in color is due to prolonged light and air. It's the same thing that happens to apples. So nothing to worry about, still edible. Food editor Kelly Foster says, it's time to toss the cauliflower if instead of pale brown, the spots are dark brown to black in color. The head or the curds have taken on a mushy texture, or there's a very off-putting odor. At this point, it's best to just get a new head of cauliflower. In just 1 cup of cauliflower, 100 grams, you will find 25 calories, 2 grams of protein, 0 grams of fat, 3 grams of fiber, and 5 grams of carbs. But that's not all. Cauliflower is also high in fiber and contain vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B6, folate, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and calcium. It may help in digestion, memory, strong bones, as well as lowering the risk of cardiovascular problems. Any side effects? Well, in excessive amounts, it may cause bloating and flatulence. And as there are high levels of vitamin K, which helps the blood to clot, excessive amounts may cause problems for people taking blood thinners. Question of the day, how do you like to eat your cauliflower? Wait, do you eat cauliflower? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.